Nandros, what are you doing? Thank you for the 10 tier 3 subs. What? Thank you. Holy shit. Hiccups. But yeah, when I have hiccups, I don't have like you know how it's like, oh my god, she's so cute. And but when she sneezes, she goes, achoo. About when she has hiccups, she goes, yep.
Finishing those subbies, that's what I'm doing.
Jesus Christ, Nandos, I can see that. Jesus, thank you so goddamn much. But when I have hiccups, I sound I sound like I'm dying. Minotaur, thank you. I am literally dying. It is like like that. It is literally dying. Womp womp.